Hinge repair on Acer N19H2 A514 laptop. Thank you, Sir Jason, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Hinge repair on an Acer N19H2 laptop is a smart and practical decision, especially if the hinge has become loose, stiff, or broken. A damaged hinge can lead to more serious issues over time, such as cracks on the screen bezel, damage to the internal display cables, or even mother stress due to uneven pressure when opening or closing the lid. By addressing the issue early with a proper hinge repair, you help restore the laptop's structural integrity, improve daily usability, and prevent further internal damage. It also makes the device feel solid and secure, again crucial for portable use. Hinge repair is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your hinge repaired too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.